Imagine yourself in this Nissan 2013 Rogue S. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include stability control, security remote anti-theft alarm system, multi-function display, crumple zones front, crumple zones rear, airbags, front, dual, air conditioning, front, single zone, air conditioning, front and airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.